Nature gives us everything for free.
Nature doesn't charge us any money.
Nature doesn't charge us any money.
All nature asks of us is that we protect it.
Life was given to us a billion years
Life is
ago.
given to us a
What
billion
have we
years
done
ago.
with it?
What have we done with it?
Where existence is most easy. Snow never falls there, and no wild storms disturb the sweetly flowing days. Only the soothing breezes of the west wind drift in each day from the ocean, bearing constant refreshment for the inhabitants. Here's the talk of flowering annuals and vestments.
We often feel, living on the edge of something good. Mind restless, I walk all day, all night into morning to kill my strength. Go home, go down, sleep. Into the country, a new start, new life, clean break, groove on the whole world.
shameless to think of death when none of those one knows has died. Last night I dreamt I was dead. I came running with my dog into the realm of the dead. There was nothing to be seen, only stones and a few bushes, a landscape that travelers have often spoken of. I would rather not die here, but in my own home where I was not dead. All the death, in the course of a life. Write about death. Describe in a poem what you feel concerning death. In the face of death, I'm like an animal, and the animal can die, but write nothing.
We measure our obligations to the natural world as a competition or comparison to others. They haven't done anything, so why should I have to? We can't continue expecting nature to sustain us the way we do, unnaturally exhausting years of our resources
The
irreversibly.
words die like flies. Their corpses everywhere swept away from the white paper. Give the dirt a little room.
At what distance do we feel responsible for the mess human beings make in the natural world?